Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't certified or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a calamity. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in outlook on account of the approach of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be bridled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost expectation, let us check out a portion of the remarkable highlights of Chiliz. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost heightening to $0. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is associated to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a minor recuperation. Be that as it may, the presentation of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected huge development, denoting another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight remedy, yet later it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted a huge meeting and contacted 75 cents in April. However, later, it revised to the 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. Yet later, it confronted a sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it denoted a critical recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative tension. Be that as it may, subsequent to hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and right now, it exchanges around 11 cents. We demand you do your own examination recommending projected greatest cost, conjectured value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly on the grounds that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of unwavering quality implanted in this cash. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. CHZ Coin Cost Forecast recommends that Chiliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. Chiliz Value Expectation 2023. As of late, Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 11 cents. Furthermore, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz Crypto Value Expectation 2024. CHZ forecast for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents, individually. The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in view of our Chiliz crypto cost expectation. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning confidence anticipated for the CHZ cost, principally because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Chiliz Coin Value Expectation 2026. Violating all impediments north of 2026 would clearly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz expectation, supported by vigorous shrewd agreements, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents individually. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ Value Forecast 2028. Of every 2028, the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz's cost may effortlessly cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents, as per our CHZ Coin Cost Expectation 2029. Chiliz Value Forecast 2030. In view of our CHZ Cost Expectation 2030, the normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost variances in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is determined to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to Cost Expectation Discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical estimate cost of 17 cents. As per Chiliz Coin Cost Forecast, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz, as the cost might cross 49 cents in the following 1 year. By 2028, and the normal most extreme cost might be around $2.38. CHZ's cost will take off, since there is still hopefulness that the money will draw in considerably more consideration. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 17 cents and a base value worth of 16 cents. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around 19 cents. By 2025, the cost of Chiliz will be stretched around 12 cents. Most extreme cost 12 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the year will be around 11 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the finish of 2025 will be around 10 cents. Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chiliz was formally sent off in 2019. Despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016, currently in the name and style of socios.com. Any game or a sports on the planet can adapt fan interest. Chiliz is a trailblazer in enacting and adapting a crowd of people through extremist fan commitment with most loved groups the board. It is a swarm control motor, fit for giving fans casting a ballot rights for any all-inclusive game. Esports fans can decide in favor of their number one groups in the esports world. The blockchain-based connections through the Chiliz token have worked with gaming fans overall to project their help for their number one games groups by buying fan tokens by means of a digital currency trade. It advances regular fan commitment encounters by enabling them to become powerhouses of any aggressive element.